Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can empty trash and remove junk files on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, you go down and you tap on storage. In here, go down to the trash section and tap on a trash bin that you want to empty. So here I got calendar, and in here you can tap on the option key, then tap on empty, and in here you'll be able to empty the calendar trash. So tap on delete. Alright, now you go back and you do the same for other trash as well. So my files. Now in here you can choose to delete files one by one, or you can select the files that you want to remove, or you can just tap on the option key at the top and tap on empty, and this will empty your whole trash bin. Right, so you do that the same for my files and gallery. You can go in here and select the files that you want to remove, or you can simply tap on empty and will empty the whole trash. Alright, so that is how you can empty your trash. To remove other files or apps, you can go in here, you can see unused apps. I have 770 megabytes of apps that not being used. So in here, let's say if I tap on the more button, I can go down the list here and go down and choose which apps that I don't want to keep. So here I've got can't print services. I can tap on uninstalled and then tap on uninstalled. Now I can go down the list here and see any other app that I'm not using. I can remove it from my device. So there's not much apps I have installed in here, so there is not a lot that I need to remove. Perhaps maybe Amazon shopping. I don't actually shop on Amazon on this device. I can uninstall it. Alright, after that you can tap back to the storage home screen and we go down, and in the duplicate files section, you can see in here I have quite a number of different files that are duplicated. There's no need to have duplicate files, so I can select the files that I don't want to keep and I can tap on delete. So you go down the list here and select the duplicate files that you don't want to keep, and you can just tap on the delete button and then tap on move to trash again. Because now it has been moved to trash, you might need to go into your trash and empty it. So that's duplicate files. Large files are rather different. They could be files that you want to actually keep, and if your device is running out of storage, maybe you could think about moving them to the online cloud drive, such as Google Drive. They offer you 15 gigabytes of free storage. If that is not enough for you, you may want to consider purchasing some online storage to store your files. So you can go down the list here. If the files are not important to keep, you can delete them. Otherwise, you can actually move it to your computer, where you have a lot more storage space on your computer, or another mobile device that you might have as a backup or a spare. And that's it. So just simply tap on the files and then tap on the delete button, and it will probably move to the trash again, and you might need to empty your trash bin. And that's it. So those are your options, how you can empty your trash bins and how you can remove junk files on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.